Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the assignments for Joypad. The Joypad is the button which is in the back of your monitor, at the back, and to change it you just have to at first click this button. As you can see, the assignments are these four thingies. And first we have to click it 2 times, and now we have to scroll down to menu. Here scroll down, assign Joypad buttons. Here we have assigned button. The default preset is brightness, but we can set it to, as you can see, empty, no function, toggle full limited range, color information, swap power mode, next active input, display information, color, brightness quick restore, brightness quick full, or brightness. And we can change the assign right button, assign up button, and down button, as you can see here. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.